Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinol here, and in this quick video I want to show you how you can easily promote any business by leveraging the Power Lead system and create two income streams. And I'm going to do that by illustrating how I connect my Instant Cash business to the Power Lead system, and I send cold traffic to that one link. I get website visitors to that one link. That one link promotes both the Power Lead system and the basic version, Lead Lightning, along with my primary business on the back end. What you want to do is log into your Power Lead system back office, click the Getting Started button. It'll bring you to this page. Click Start here. Watch this video, go through this page, and just make sure you take it toward the complete system. And if you want to learn how you can leverage and promote your Power Lead system and primary business, click this link and you'll be taken to some additional training. But what we want to focus on is referral link B, and that is where we will connect your primary business, and in my case my Instant Cash business, to the Power Lead system, so we can generate one link to send traffic to, where at that point we will create two income streams. Once leads stop flowing in, they're going to be shown both the Power Lead system and my Instant Cash business on the back end, right? So I'm going here to my Easy One Up Instant Cash business back office. I'm going to copy this link right here, which is the sales page. I'm going to go back to my Power Lead system. I'm going to enter that link here. Now I already have a link programmed here. I'm just illustrating exactly what I did. This link is a rotator link that I connected multiple businesses that I'm involved with on the back end, so I can promote one link. I'm going to be promoting my main businesses and the Power Lead system all with one link, and this is what I'm showing you again. But you want to go ahead and paste that link in here. You want to click update. It's going to save your primary business link, and in my case, Easy One Up Instant Cash business. Show me the link to use. Click that and it's going to pull this page up, and here's the link that you get. Copy that link, and now you're going to be able to send traffic by one of the traffic sources that you have access to if you wait till the end of this video. But you want to send cold traffic here, and once leads stop flowing in, you're going to start generating leads in your Power Lead system back office, and they're going to be sent emails automatically through the system, about 14, 7 of which will promote Lead Lightning and the Power Lead system, and 7 of which will promote your primary business. It's a beautiful thing. You create two separate streams of income with one link, and within those streams of income you have additional income streams. That being said, click somewhere here below this video to see my full system. You'll see how it works. You'll see the programs I'm promoting, generating leads, traffic, customers, sign-ups, a bigger list. That being said, again, click the link at the bottom of this video.